Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. In this session, I would like to explain about teachers' belief and practice in teaching reading at Islamic secondary in Indonesia. Reading skills in English are very important because reading is one of the main focus in teaching, especially in Indonesia. Teaching reading has not succeeded in understanding reading skill. The obstacle in teaching reading include lack of strategies in vocabulary, and the main thing is to increase students' reading motivation. Reading is one of the important skills can must be required to develop students' English literacy skill. Consider important because this reading skill will be useful in academic and non-academic fields. There are several influencing factors, namely internal factors such as student knowledge about the importance of reading EFL and motivation to read English text, while external factors such as support from the close to them, namely parents, teacher, and family member. These factors are taken from the autonomy of students in reading in the English department at university in Indonesia, which affect the development of reader independence. Teaching reading EFL, three widely recognized reading models are the bottom-up model, the top-down model, and the interactive model. The bottom-up reading model fosters the practice of the bottom-up reading instruction in students, starting with the smallest units, single letter, mixed letters, and building word and phrase. Furthermore, there is a top-down model that views reading as a process of reconstructing meaning and understanding units of meaning that are larger than words and phrase. The third model, the alternative model, combines the two previous bottom-up and top-down reading models. According to this model, reading involves the interaction of all meaning-gathering activities. On the other hand, good readers find problems predicting possibilities in stories, determining language features, and understanding foreign words. The researcher proposed the interactive model of teaching reading comprehension, or EMTRC, which consists of several aspects of learning. This study reports an increase in students' reading achievement after the application of this model. The results of the study were analyzed and compared with a review of the existing literature to direct their significance for expanding knowledge in the area of teaching reading in the EFL classrooms of Indonesian Islamic High School. An explanatory case study design was used in this research since it is well was tied for the domain of this study. That is to examine insight, discovery, and interpretation rather than hypothesis testing, which extend to the how and why of an issue. The data collection methods comprise document analysis, participant classroom observation, personal in-depth interviews with 13 English teachers, written guide reflection about the teacher beliefs and practice in the teaching of reading, and focus group discussion about experience English reading instruction. And any analysis of the data revealed three emerging themes: teacher perception of good reading instruction, teacher view about the problem in teaching reading, and then teacher practice of teaching reading in the classroom. Teacher proposed that teaching reading should take up a larger portion of the curriculum structure than other language skills. Their perception of good reading instruction, however, varied from one to another. Some teachers believe That good reading instruction means teaching students how to answer the question correctly. In this context, the teacher believe in prioritizing teaching reading for exam can be understood in the severe exam orientation that characterize ELT. Challenge of teaching reading by the teachers participating in this research are a lack of strategies to teach vocabulary, limited repertoire of strategies to teach reading, the use of teaching material, and improving students' reading motivation and autonomy. The result of class of observation: find the main idea of the text, explain the purpose of the text, and explain the meaning of certain expressions in a text. The main activities in a class observation are student reading and doing reading exercise on their own, such as reading by having students scan difficult vocabulary and find its meaning in a dictionary. Then ask the students to read one paragraph. Silently and randomly appointed one student to explain the main idea of the text. The teacher tend only to test the students' reading ability rather than to teach them. The teacher asks students to complete numerous exercises about the content of reading text, and then the teacher check and confirm the accuracy of the answer. This calls for the development of teaching reading model that can effectively develop students' reading ability. This module could then be introduced to teachers at Islamic secondary school in Indonesia. Maybe that's all I can say. More and less sorry. Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.